Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a few laundry hacks with you guys. So if this is something you're interested in watching, stay tuned. So starting out, anytime I have any kind of stains, I use this Shout stain remover and just give that a few minutes to soak in before I start the laundry. As far as a laundry routine, I do not have one. Just anytime the hampers start getting a little bit full, I will toss a load in. All three boys share one hamper, so if ours are not too full, I will combine all of them together. And as far as fabrics, I do not worry about separating colors. If we have a large enough load of jeans, I will separate those, but otherwise I just throw them all in together. And for laundry detergent, I use this Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin because my son and I do have eczema. When using an HE high efficiency washer, you do not have to use too much soap, so I do not fill it all the way. Then I will just sprinkle in some of these Arm & Hammer scent beads. 9 times out of 10, I will use the quick wash feature on this washing machine just to speed things up so I'm not taking all day to do laundry. So unless the clothes are really soiled, I do the quick wash, and then I always wash clothes on cold. When it comes to drying my clothes, I try to avoid using the dryer sheets, so instead I use essential oil, and here I'm using lavender, and I'm just putting them on the tennis balls, which I like to use when I dry all my clothes, just because it helps toss the clothes, fluff them up, and helps them to dry quicker. And the lavender does infuse into the clothes and helps them to smell really good. So for my clothes, if it's not too big of a load, I will just set it for 40 minutes. When it comes to towels and sheets, I do have a little bit different of a routine in how I wash and dry the clothes. I do combine everything together, including my little floor sweepers that I use. And here my son was just helping collect all the towels for me throughout the house. So again, I'm using the same laundry detergent. But then in addition to the laundry detergent, I use this sanitizer from Lysol. There's 0 bleach in here, but it does just help kill the germs and any bacteria that's on the towels. And for my towels, I do like to use fabric softener. This is my favorite of all time, the Snuggles Original. Another kind I do like to use as well is this yellow Suavitel. And again, just sprinkling a little bit of those scent beads in there. For towels and sheets, I do a little bit longer of a cycle, and I always wash them on hot. And when drying towels and sheets, I do like to use the dryer sheet, so I use the Snuggles dryer sheets as well as the tennis balls. And I just dry them for an hour. Laundry isn't one of my favorite chores, but it's not something I dread just because I make it as quick and easy as possible. So when it comes to folding clothes, we don't fold and put away a ton of clothes. We hang most of our clothes. So the easiest way that I've found to do this is just to lay out anything that's going to wrinkle on the bed in one pile. Once you're all done laying out your clothes, then you just slap the hangers on. And because I do laundry a couple times a week, whenever the baskets get a little bit full, the loads are not too overwhelming to complete in one setting. Honestly, it probably only takes me about 10 minutes or less to do this. And that's it. And to fold my tank tops, I have a video on that in my closet clean out, but I just fold it 3/4 of the way, then halfway, and roll it up. So for my boys who are 11 and 8 years old, they put away their own clothes. All I do is lay out all their shirts so they don't wrinkle. I fold their shorts, and then what I do is leave their socks in a basket for them, and they come home from school a couple days a week when I do laundry, and they'll put their own clothes away. And this is good because it teaches them responsibility. It's one of their chores that they have to do, and it helps them get prepared for life when they are adults. And this is how it looks when they get home from school. Obviously this was pre-recorded during school time, but they know when they get home to go ahead and put these clothes away. In the summer they will fold and put their clothes away.